my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress, if you're new. And I do fashion and beauty lifestyle here on this channel. So today, you guys, speaking of beauty, I am here with a sponsored video by Your Skin. And you guys, I was really hesitant and skeptical to take on this partnership with this company. You guys, I have been fighting with my skin since I was a teenager. Again, same old story. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, as you guys can see. I have a lot of discoloration that I've been fighting to get rid of. I've tried everything under the sun, and again, I get a lot of products that will brighten my skin up, but not necessarily clear my skin. So I had a representative from Your Skin reach out to me, just stating that they wanted to send me some skincare, and I was a little apprehensive, y'all, because I've been trying different skincare. I feel like nothing works, and honestly, I'm ready to just give up. I'm ready to give up, you guys. It's just a never-ending story with my skin. But after doing some research, I saw that with Your Skin, you can take a personalized quiz that will pretty much ask you different questions about your skin and your environment. You know, whether you're out in the working outside and doing some outside work, or you know, whether your skin is oily, if it's dry, do you have redness to the skin, do you have blackhead, whiteheads. So there is a quiz that you can take, and pretty much, you guys, the products will generate, or your skincare regimen rather, will generate based off of the quiz that you take. So I figured, let me give this another shot. I mean, it's not like that I'm just getting random products. I'm getting products based off of the data and information that I input. So I went ahead and I took that quiz, and it generated a skincare regimen for me. So I was just like, okay, maybe I can work with this. Let's give it a try. Let's see how this goes. So if you want to see what I got in my skincare regimen box, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, show some love to the family, be a part of the family, you guys, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss another upload, and definitely give this videos a thumbs up, and let's see what we got inside of our box. All right, y'all, so we are back, and again, I'm coming to y'all raw, uncut, live, no chaser, and this is how I like to come, just bearing it all to you guys, all natural. And we are going to be opening up our skincare box and see what we have inside, and using some of these products today. So I received this box from Your Skin, and again, packaging is everything, you guys. This box is nice and sturdy. They definitely put some love into their packaging, and I'ma just be honest with you guys, I never heard of this company before a day in my life until they reached out to me. So that was another reason why I was a little skeptical about trying the products. But again, after conducting some research on my own, I found out, like, why not? Let's give this company a try. And they definitely did, I would say, a 10 out of 10 for packaging, especially with me being hesitant about ordering from this company. The fact that they put this much love into their packaging says a lot about this company. And once we open up the box, it just says the world's most responsive, personalized skincare, hashtag your kind of confidence. And having great skin will definitely give you the confident boost that you're looking for. And this is what we have in our box. Alright, so when we go into the box, it looks like we have a little post-it card here, and it just says morning and night. So it looks like you can wear this product or use this product both in the morning and in the nighttime. And I love products that I can use any time of the day, and I'm not restricted just to using it whether it's geared to morning or to night, because 10 times out of 10 I'm gonna forget to put on that product. So as we go into our box, you guys, so going inside our box, I can tell right away that this company is expensive. At least that's what the packaging is giving. I mean, they did an awesome job with their packaging. They really put some care and some thought into it. So I thank you, Your Skin, for sending me this fun package. It makes me excited to start my skincare regimen with them. So let's dive into the product. So it looks like this is number 1, your cleanser, and it has directions on the back. It says wet face with warm water, dispense cleanser into hand and massage into the face using a circular motion, and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. So I like nowadays, you guys, how these skincare companies are coming out with different regimens, and I like how they have different steps. Like this is step 1, the cleanser, and then we have here step 2. Okay, this is new. This is a day cream, and it has number 2 on there, and it also has the drugs and ingredients on the back. And it just says, oh, okay, so with this, it has a SPF of 30 in the day cream, and that's always important. I think every skincare and makeup should have SPF in it. It's very, very important. I see a lot of my clients nowadays that walk around and trying to get rid of the sun marks, or the sunspots, and you guys, I'm telling you, they really don't go away. So wearing SPF is highly, highly important, and I'm glad that Your Skin incorporated that into this day cream. And third, okay, and it's never too late for this, I have done step 3, the Anti-Acne Serum. And I thought it was anti-aging at first, but no, this is Anti-Acne Serum, and hopefully this is to get all of my pimples and whiteheads and blackheads under control. Most of the time I do have hormonal acne, so we shall see how this works, but for the most part I just have the dark spots from my acne scars, but hopefully this will brighten that up. We will be trying this today as well. That was step 3. It looks like I got a couple of steps in this. Okay, and shout out to my representative. She saw the pictures of my face, because we did have to send them photos of my before, and she was able to get me a mask for my skincare regimen, so I can't wait to show that to you guys. But for step 4, okay, so so it looks like we have a morning routine and a night routine, which, I mean, that's fine. As long as I have different steps in each routine, then I'll remember to do it. But this is the number 4, the night cream, and it just says apply a dime size of night cream all over your face. And yep, so apply this all over my face at night. And then we have number 5, which is my face mask, you guys. I actually want to pop this open and see what it looks like. Okay. That smells strong. Y'all, this face mask smell like it's about to dig every dirt and crevices from out of my face. Like, This that type of smell where you know it's about to work. Like it's about to overwork. So I can't wait to try that. And then it looks like they sent us a sample size of the face mask as well, so maybe we can try this today, or I might do this tomorrow because I did do another mask on my face yesterday, so I don't want to really do too much to my skin. But it just says smooth over clean skin, avoid the eye area of course, and to leave this on for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then remove with a damp cloth. So I'll see if I want to do that today. But so far, you guys, let's pop some of this stuff open, see what it's smelling like. And I was very intrigued and interested in your skincare because also it's a clean brand. Anything clean, a lot of our skincare and makeup brands are moving over into the cleaner ingredients, which I think is like they should have been doing it years ago. But your skin is a clean brand, it's free of any parabens, and it's animal cruelty free. So definitely check this company out if you guys are interested in a cleaner skincare brand. See y'all, this is why reading is fundamental. Okay, so on the postcard it did give us a morning side and then it gave us a night side. And for the morning side, it says, you know, you want to wet your face and cleanse with your cleanser, and then you want to apply a dime size amount of the day cream all over your face. And it just says if you wear makeup, remove your makeup with makeup remover before beginning your night routine. So in the morning routine, I'm going to use the cleanser and the day cream, and then, you know, say put my makeup on, be out for the day, then come home, take my makeup off, and then I'm going to move into the night routine. And the night routine, we're going to go in with the cleanser, and then we're going to add the 3 to 4 drops of serum onto the face, and then we're going to apply the night cream all over the face. So it looks like the night routine is just an extra step, probably an extra couple of steps if you do decide to use the mask. But this is a 3-month supply of skincare. We'll be trying it out for 30 days just to see if we get any different results. So again, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the family because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me. So let's get into this skincare routine.
Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes it